In this third chapter, we are gonna work on proposal title, and we will look if we want to have some do the proposals want some branding. Not all the teams think the same way, that when you have a big proposals, you can actually target different, you can even target the same problem statement, but with different solutions or slightly different problem statements, but they still all is an umbrella of a bigger project or a cause you want to have. And sometimes it's worth to have something connecting in the proposal title, branding name, group name, something what ties in together these different proposals you have. So when we get into this, first box asks us to copy paste the problem and solution statement from previous session, or previous chapters. And that is a good, this is gonna be our North Star in the sense of what title we are even gonna do. Let's ideate. So we just had the 3-2-1 vote, and we ended up still using mini proposal workshops. Once all of this is done, and we will be ideating on more ideas. So while you're doing more chapters and you're like, oh, this is what we are doing, you can always come back here, add a new name to this, and to the table, add more stickies. So that would you get the best possible proposal name for your proposal. Currently, we will continue with mini proposal workshops.